Welcome to Unit 8, which, at the time that you're seeing this video, is going to be opened up the same time as Unit 7. But Unit 8 is on rank correlation and survival analysis. The rank correlation being the final parametric test. So the final non-parametric test is the rank correlation test. This test specifically calculates the rank correlation to determine whether there is a correlation between two variables. And unlike the linear correlation coefficient, this one does not require the data to be linear. Then we will switch gears to life tables. Life tables will be used to analyze mortality and longevity data, which is the basis for insurance policies. We will apply the construction and interpretation of tables and graphs to survival data. This will allow us to compute probabilities of survival over a period using the Kaplan-Meier method. A couple of objectives for this unit are to perform the rank correlation test for an association between paired data and the ranks, construct life tables by applying the parametric and non-parametric tests learned in this course to mortality and longevity data, calculate the probability of survival using the Kaplan-Meier method to construct and interpret tables of survival data. We also have an example of a graph of said survival using that Kaplan-Meier method in this picture right here. But this particular unit deals with Chapter 13, Section 13.6 on rank correlation, and then Chapter 14 on survival analysis, 14.1 and 14.2. There's only 2 sections in that one. There's a bunch of supplemental materials and videos other than the ones I'm producing. And we have the Unit 8 discussion board being a course reflection discussion board. So now that you have taken most, if not all, of the course by the time of you seeing it, reflect on the work that you have completed. What did you like the most about the course? How might or will you apply the information you learned in this course to your own experience or career? What do you think needs to be changed or added in future iterations? And then, in response to your peers, do you agree or disagree with your classmates' chosen topic they enjoyed, or what do you think needs to be changed? I have here the Unit 8 assignment, which is just a combination of the Unit 7 and 8 problem set, which is this document, total of 78 points, due in Unit 8, the Wednesday of Unit 8, I should note, and then the life table as well. There's a final exam for this particular course, which is to give you a brief look at what this looks like. This is out of 72 points. As you could assume, it uses everything from Units 5, 7, and 8. Which asks a whole variety of questions. SAS is strongly encouraged to be used in that, and to include any work, screenshots, copies of SAS code, that type of stuff in your answers. And then there's an additional optional course reflection discussion board as well, in addition to the separate Unit 8 course reflection discussion board. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.